it's cricket season, especially in Colombo, where the marquee India-Pakistan clash is going to take place. But Colombo, this is as part of a hybrid model, hosting a lot of other matches. All of Pakistan's matches are being held here as well, but a lot of other countries also playing here. And we've already seen a massive upset as well as far as the Premadasa is concerned, where Australia was beaten by Zimbabwe. So I'm at the very famous Cricket Club Cafe. This is where a lot of the matches are screened and a lot of the foreign fans come here from all across the world. And I can already see a very special notice board here that the Cricket Club has put on. We welcome the Barmy Army and all the England supporters. So they're certainly expecting a lot of English fans. But look at this cafe. It's a nice, quaint, cricket-themed cafe where a lot of the cricket fans come when they're in Colombo. A lot of cricket memorabilia. You've got the Melbourne Cricket Ground and other grounds mentioned here in all directions. Another area of this cricket club where they've got screening going on, but where there's a lot of memorabilia as far as visiting teams is concerned. You've got a lot of memorabilia associated with cricket stars coming here to have food and enjoy a drink, but also jerseys of the Sri Lankan team, lots of bats that have been signed, even, Indian cricket memorabilia. Good looking Australians here as well. You're enjoying the Cricket World Cup so far?
Very much, thank you.
Australia got beaten by Zimbabwe though.
Yeah, I know. They deserve to. They just have not been playing well.
But a lot of memorabilia here for the Indian cricket team as well. All India cricket team in 1932. Lots of signed mementos as far as India is concerned. You've got Sachin Tendulkar, whose picture is signed there. You've got another Sachin Tendulkar picture that has been signed here. Certainly, Sachin Tendulkar has been, a big star in the hearts of Sri Lankans, and he has been known to come to this cafe as well. Look here, you've got more memorabilia, a lot of the bats, some team bats as well that seem to have been given and donated to the cricket club here. You've got memorabilia of Australian legends including Ian Botham and his favourite bat that was broken during the Ashes tour. You've got another Kapil Dev and Steve Waugh memorabilia here as well. Bat signed, this is Greg Chappell, the bat used by him to score the 204 versus India in January 1981 at the Sydney Cricket Ground. So tell me something that this India-Pakistan match is about to happen on Sunday. Are you expecting a lot of crowds because of that as well?
Yeah, we are expecting more crowd.
How are you preparing for that match?
We'll be prepared. Our stocks will be available.
When the match was not about to happen, there was a question mark that whether the match will happen or not. Was there any worry in your mind?
Not really, but I think officials, they speak to the tenant
And they sort
sort it out, and like security and things and all.
You've got a lot of youngsters here who've come here as far as their dinner is concerned. Let's try and talk to a couple of them. So the T20 World Cup happening in Colombo, in matches happening in Sri Lanka. How exciting is that for you?
It's really interesting because you usually wouldn't find international matches happening in Sri Lanka. So to have one really big match happening here is just a really big thing.
You're talking about the India-Pakistan match.
Yes.
But there was a time when it was almost like that match would get cancelled because Pakistan was not coming here. How did you look at that situation?
So I was speechless when Pakistan wasn't going to play. I really wanted to watch this match. It's like bucket list, but I was genuinely devastated because they couldn't play.
Even the young, the Gen Z as they're called, understand the significance of an India-Pakistan match. They may not be cricket fans per se, but when a Cricket World Cup, that too a T20 World Cup is happening in your country, then certainly even you understand the significance of it. Really, if you're a cricket fan in Colombo, this is the place to be, to not just watch the match but also enjoy your favorite drinks and food. With camera person Chintan in Colombo, Shivani Gupta for CNN News 18.